Hi, I'm Becca Lanci, and I'm a certified nurse midwife with Cherokee Women's Health. I grew up in Michigan, and I came to Georgia to follow my husband. I went to Frontier Nursing University to complete my midwifery degree. I love being a midwife, and I was inspired by my OB professor at Michigan State University. My plan to become a midwife was solidified when I saw my very first birth, how the woman giving birth was surrounded by her loved ones, and it was such a transformational process for her. It was just the most beautiful thing I ever saw. What led me to become a certified nurse midwife was actually being inspired at Michigan State, my undergraduate degree. I worked with victims of sexual assault through the emergency room and through the sexual assault and relationship violence prevention program. And I realized I really loved empowering women in their time of need. And then I started nursing school, and I was inspired by a really excited OB professor who loved doing birth and catching babies. I saw my first birth and just was totally hooked. I loved empowering women and being with women in their transformational time. My favorite part about being a midwife is birth. I love being there for the families during their birth experience and seeing families grow. My absolute favorite part is if the mom and dad cry during the delivery. It's a little difficult because I'm supposed to be able to see, but my eyes well up with tears too, and it's just such a beautiful moment. So my practice philosophy is to provide individualized, patient-centered care. I love treating every woman as a unique person. I provide evidence-based care, so I try my best to stay on top of current evidence to make sure that we're providing the best care. I also love low interventions. I can handle high-risk pregnancies and high-risk situations, but as far as the birth process goes, if everything is going smoothly, I don't like to do unnecessary interventions. I love educating women during the initial prenatal visit when women first come to see us. I love doing a long talk about what to expect during pregnancy, normal do's and don'ts. I also love educating throughout the pregnancy. There's a lot of information regarding pregnancy, childbirth, and parenting out there, and it can all be very overwhelming. So I like to make women feel less overwhelmed with all of that information. And then when it comes to birth, I love letting women know exactly what's happening so that they never feel in the dark during their birth experience. And postpartum, I really like to help with lactation. Outside of working with Cherokee Women's Health, I love to hula hoop with fire, and I am also an aerialist. I love to stay active with fun activities outside of working. I also do read a lot, but because I am driving to and from work, most of my reading is done via audio book, which I count as reading. I do also love to stay up to date and read scientific books to make sure that I know all the most recent evidence regarding women and women's health. I just can't wait to meet you and take care of you.